Checking in at a small hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Lakeside Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation for one room. I booked it online yesterday.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it is Jake Miller. Miller, Miller.
Thank you, Jake. Let me check the computer. One moment, please.
Sure, no problem.
I found your reservation. You booked a single room for 2 nights.
Yes, that is right. I am here for a short visit.
Great. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. I just need to make a quick copy.
Okay,
We prepare a quiet room on the 8th floor, away from the elevator.
that sounds perfect.
Your room number is 812. Here's your key card.
Thank you. Where are the elevators?
They are behind you on the right. Breakfast is on the first floor from 7 to 10.
Great. Could I have a wake-up call at 7 tomorrow morning?
Yes, of course. I will set it now.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay, Jake.
Thank you.
If you need anything later, call the front desk.
I will. First, I want to unpack.
Sharing a table at a busy coffee shop.
Excuse me. Is anyone sitting here?
No, this seat is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. This coffee shop is very busy today.
It is always busy in the evening. Many people come after work.
That makes sense. I just wanted a place for coffee.
Same here. I am taking a short break.
What did you order?
I ordered a small cappuccino. How about you?
I ordered black coffee. I like it simple.
Me too sometimes. Do you usually drink coffee without sugar?
Yes, no sugar and no milk. It wakes me up.
That is a good habit. I add a little milk, but not much.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live 2 blocks away. It is easy to walk here.
Nice. I am staying at a hotel near the station.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I arrived today. Tomorrow I want to see the city museum.
The museum is beautiful. You should go in the morning.
Good idea. Is it far from here?
Not really. I can explain the way after we finish our coffee.
That would be very kind.
No problem. I like helping visitors.
Thanks. It is nice to meet a friendly person on my first day.
It is nice to meet you too, Jake.
How did you know my name?
Your coffee cup says Jake on it.
Oh, right. That is funny.
Sometimes a coffee cup starts a conversation.
Today it helped me meet someone kind.
Asking for directions to the museum.
Sarah, could you tell me how to get to the city museum?
Sure. Are you walking or do you want to take a bus?
I want to walk. I need some fresh air.
Good choice. Go straight on King Street for 2 blocks.
2 blocks. Okay.
Then you will see a large bank on the corner.
A large bank on the corner. What should I do there?
Turn left at the bank. Do not turn right.
Turn left. Got it.
After that, walk for 1 more block. You will see a small park.
Is the museum in the park?
Not in the park. It is across from the park next to the library.
Across from the park, next to the library. That sounds clear.
The building has big glass doors and a blue sign that says City Museum.
Great. How long does it take from here?
About 10 minutes if you walk slowly.
That is fine. Is the museum open tomorrow?
Yes, it opens at 9 and closes at 6.
Perfect. Do I need a ticket online?
You can buy a ticket at the front desk. It is not expensive.
Good. Maybe I will go there before lunch.
If you go early, it will not be crowded.
I like that. I can take photos, right?
In most rooms, yes, but check the signs.
Thanks for the advice.
You are welcome. Text me if you get lost.
I hope I do not, but I might.
Keep the address in your phone just in case.
Good idea. I will save it now.
Waiting at the bus stop.
Hi, Jake. You are here early.
Hi, Sarah. I wanted to be sure I did not miss the bus.
Good thinking. The bus to the market comes every 15 minutes.
Does this bus also go downtown?
Yes, it stops near the main square first, then goes to the market.
Great. I want to buy a few things for tomorrow.
What do you need?
A phone charger, some water, and maybe a small notebook.
There's a good shop near the market. It is not too expensive.
Nice. Have you been waiting long?
Only 5 minutes. The bus should come soon.
I like this stop. It is clean and there is a map.
The map helps a lot. New visitors use it every day.
Is the bus usually on time?
Most of the time, yes, but it can be late during rush hour.
I'm not in a hurry.
Me neither. The weather is nice today.
Yes, much warmer than this morning.
Yesterday was rainy, so this feels great.
I hope tomorrow is sunny for the museum.
I think it will be. The forecast looked good.
Oh, is that our bus?
Yes, bus number 15. Get your ticket ready.
I have it in my pocket.
Great. We can sit near the window.
Perfect. I want to see the city while we ride.
Look on the left after the bridge. The old clock tower is there.
Great. I will keep my camera ready.
Ordering pasta at a cozy restaurant.
This restaurant is one of my favorite places. Is this table okay?
Yes, it is perfect. I can see the street from here.
Great. Here is the menu. The pasta dishes are very good.
There are many choices. What do you recommend?
The tomato pasta is light and simple. The creamy mushroom pasta is richer.
I think I want something not too heavy.
Then the tomato pasta is a good choice.
Does it have garlic?
Yes, a little garlic, fresh tomatoes, and basil.
That sounds delicious. What are you having?
I will have the creamy mushroom pasta today.
Nice. Should we order a salad too?
Yes, a small mixed salad would be good to share.
Good idea. What would you like to drink?
Just still water for me.
Same for me, please.
Do you want regular or large pasta?
Regular is fine. I do not want to be too full.
I understand. After lunch, we still need to buy your charger.
Right, I almost forgot.
The waiter will come soon. You can practice ordering in English.
Okay, I will say, I would like the regular tomato pasta, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "Can I have a mixed salad to share?"
Can I have a mixed salad to share? That is easy.
Very good. You sound confident.
I am trying. Ordering food makes me nervous sometimes.
Do not worry. Simple English is enough.
Thanks, Sarah. This is like a real English lesson.
Real places make practice easier.
Yes, and the words are easy to remember when I use them.
Buying headphones at an electronics store.
This store is big. I do not know where to look first.
The headphones are on the left wall. Let's go there.
Great. I need comfortable headphones for the flight home.
Do you want small earbuds or over-ear headphones?
Over-ear headphones, please. Earbuds hurt my ears after an hour.
Then try this pair. It feels soft.
Wow, they are light. Do they block noise?
Yes, they have noise cancellation. It helps with traffic, planes, and people talking.
That sounds useful. I want to listen to English lessons on the plane.
Then these may be a good choice.
How long does the battery last?
The sign says 30 hours on a full charge.
30 hours is enough for me.
They also charge quickly. 10 minutes gives about 4 hours.
Nice. Can I connect them to my phone?
Yes, they use Bluetooth. You can also use a cable.
That is good. Are they too expensive?
They are in the middle price range. Not cheap, but not the most expensive.
I want good quality, but I need to save money too.
There is another pair here. It is cheaper, but the battery is shorter.
How short?
About 10 hours.
I travel often. I think the first pair is better.
I agree. Comfort is important.
Okay, I will buy the first pair.
Good choice. You will use them a lot.
I hope so. My English listening practice will be quieter now.
You can test them tonight with a short video.
I will. I also want to learn travel phrases.
Making a doctor's appointment by phone.
Jake, you look tired. Are you okay?
Not really. My throat hurts and I have a small cough.
How long have you felt this way?
Since last night, maybe the cold wind was too much.
You should make a doctor's appointment.
I'm not sure what to say on the phone.
We can practice first. I will be the receptionist.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Green Clinic. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. Are you a new patient?
Yes, I am. I am visiting the city.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Jake Miller.
What is the reason for your visit?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
Do you have a fever?
I do not think so, but I feel very tired.
We have an appointment tomorrow morning at 9:30. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Please bring your ID and arrive 10 minutes early.
I will. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. See you tomorrow.
That practice helped a lot.
Good. Now call the real clinic.
I will. If I forget, I can look at the notes.
Exactly. Speak slowly and clearly.
Thanks, Sarah. I feel less nervous now.
After the call, drink warm tea and rest.
I will. My voice needs a break too.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning, Jake. How are you feeling now?
My throat still hurts, but the cough is not too bad.
The clinic is quiet today. Your appointment should be soon.
I hope so. I filled out the form online last night.
Good. Do you have your ID?
Yes, it is in my wallet.
When the doctor asks questions, keep your answers simple.
Okay, what should I say?
Say when it started, what hurts, and if you have a fever.
It started last night. My throat hurts. I do not have a fever.
Perfect. Also say if it hurts when you swallow.
It does, especially in the morning.
Then say that.
I am worried it may be serious.
It is probably just a throat infection or a cold, but the doctor will check.
I hope I do not need strong medicine.
Maybe you only need rest, warm drinks, and simple medicine.
That would be nice.
Remember to ask, how often should I take it?
How often should I take it? Good question.
And ask, should I take it with food?
Should I take it with food? Okay.
You are ready.
Thanks for coming with me.
No problem. After this, you should rest at the hotel.
Yes, maybe we can visit the museum tomorrow instead.
That is a better plan. Your health comes first.
I agree. A quiet afternoon sounds good.
We can buy soup on the way back if you feel hungry.
Soup sounds perfect. Nothing too spicy, please.
Resetting an email password.
Sarah, I have a problem again.
What happened?
I cannot log into my email.
Did you forget your password?
Yes, I tried 3 passwords, but none of them worked.
Is it your personal email or your work email?
My personal email. But my hotel booking and museum ticket are there.
Okay, do not worry. Do you see a forgot password link?
Yes, I see it under the password box.
Click it.
Done. Now it asks for my email address.
Type your email address carefully.
Okay. Now it says it sent a code to my phone.
Did you get a text message?
Wait, yes, I got a 6-number code.
Enter the code.
Done. Now it asks me to create a new password.
Make it strong but easy for you to remember.
Maybe I can use a sentence with numbers.
Good idea. Do not use your birthday or your name.
Right, I will not.
Also write it down somewhere safe, not on a public paper.
I will save it in my password manager.
Excellent.
It worked. I am logged in now.
Great. Check your booking and ticket.
I see them. Everything is okay.
Good. One problem solved.
Thanks again. You are very patient.
I am happy to help. But tomorrow, no more problems, okay?
I cannot promise that.
Then promise to ask before you panic.
That is fair. I can promise that.
Asking for time off and making a plan.
Sarah, can I ask you something about work English?
Sure. What do you need?
Next month, I want to ask my manager for 3 days off.
Good topic. Let's practice a simple conversation.
Great. You can be the manager.
Okay. Hello, Jake. Do you need something?
Yes, Sarah. Do you have a few minutes?
Of course. What would you like to talk about?
I would like to take 3 days off next month,
Which days are you thinking about?
from Wednesday to Friday, if possible.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I just need time for a personal matter.
Have you checked your tasks for that week?
Yes, I can finish the important tasks before Wednesday.
Who can help while you are away?
My coworker can answer urgent messages.
That sounds organized. Will you leave a short note?
Yes, I will write a handover note before I leave.
Good. Then I think those days are okay.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You are welcome. Please keep your calendar updated.
I will.
That was clear and polite.
I like this practice. These conversations are useful for real life.
Exactly. Today we practiced hotels, coffee, directions, buses, food, shopping, health, passwords, and work.
That is a lot.
Yes, but each conversation was simple.
Tomorrow, can we practice at the museum?
Of course. That can be our next English adventure.
I like the sound of that.
Good. Rest today, and tomorrow we will start fresh.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.